Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Check your iPhone iOS version and make sure the Apple TV app is installed. This matters because compatibility avoids playback errors. Once done, sign in with the same Apple ID on both the iPhone and the Apple TV so purchases and libraries sync. Make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi network, otherwise remote control and AirPlay won't appear. Now open the Apple TV app on your iPhone to begin pairing with the set-top or TV. You now pair and configure playback. In the Apple TV app, tap the AirPlay icon or use the remote tab to locate your TV. This discovers devices via the local network. If an on-screen code appears, enter it on your iPhone to confirm a secure connection. This prevents accidental control by others. Once paired, select a show or movie, then choose playback quality and subtitle options. Doing this here saves time later and explains why streaming may auto-adjust based on your network speed. You finish by learning control gestures and extras. Swipe to navigate, tap keyboard for text entry, and use voice control for hands-free commands. These speed up searches and explain why remote actions differ from tapping the TV. You can also download episodes to your iPhone for offline viewing when traveling. If playback fails, restart both devices, confirm AirPlay is enabled, and verify the Apple ID matches. One quick restart often resolves network hiccups and reestablishes the pairing so you can continue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.